Open the piano and let's play Goodness of God by Better Music. Now this song we're going to play in the key of G, and these are the 4 basic chords for our song. We have our G major. We're going to put our thumb 5 notes up from middle C. This is our middle C. 5 notes C, D, E, F, G. Going to put our thumb here, activate G, B, and D. For our left hand, we're going to do our thumb on low G. Now we're going to play G chord together. This is how G count sounds like. And next we have our C chord. We're going to move our right hand down to C, E, G, left hand activate finger 5, C note, sounding together. This is our C chord. Next chord we have our E minor. We're going to put our thumb on E, then G, then B, left hand activate finger 3, and this is our E minor. Next chord we have a D major, going down, D, we have a black key F sharp and an A, and left hand we're going to activate finger 4, and this is our D major. So here are the 4 basic chords of Goodness of God. Now the playing pattern for the full bar is going to be a both, right, right, right. And then for the playing pattern for the half bar is going to be a both, right. Okay, so I've indicated in the chord sheet, so be sure to download it for free. Okay, link down below. Let's start with the verse. I love you, G chord, Lord. Oh, your half a bar of C, mercy never fail, 1 bar of G, me. All my half a bar of E minor days. I've been half a bar of C, held in your 1 bar of D hands. From the moment that I half a bar of E minor, wake up, half a bar of C, until I lay half a bar of G, my head, half a bar of E minor. Oh, I will half a bar of C, sing of the half a bar of D, goodness of 1 bar of G, God. Let's play verse 1 smoothly. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Lord. G. Half a bar of C.
Oh, your mercy
back
never
to G.
fails me. Oh,
E minor, half a bar. C,
I've been
half a bar,
held in your
up to D.
hands. From the moment
E minor,
that
half a
I
bar.
wake up
C, half a bar,
until I
G,
lay my
half a bar,
head.
E minor.
Oh, I
C, half a bar,
will
D,
sing
half
of
a
the
bar,
goodness
back
of
to G.
God.
Let's go to chorus. Start from C. And all my life you have been 1 bar of G, faithful. Back to C, full bar. And all my life you have been half a bar of G, so, half a bar of D, good. 1 bar of C. With every breath that I am, half a bar of G, able, half a bar of E minor. Oh, I will, half a bar of C, sing of the half a bar of D, goodness of 1 bar of G, God. Let's play chorus smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, C chord.
'Cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you
Half a bar
have
of G,
been so
half a bar of D.
good.
Back to C.
With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness
1 bar
of
G.
God.
Let's move on to verse 2. I love your 1 bar of G, voice. You have half a bar of C, led me through the fire, 1 bar of G, yeah. And in darkest, half a bar of E minor, night. You are half a bar of C, close like no, 1 bar of D, other. I've known you as a half a bar of E minor, Father, half a bar of C. I've known you as half a bar of G, a friend, half a bar of E minor, and I have half a bar of C, lived in the half a bar of D, goodness of 1 bar of G, God. Let's play verse 2, smoothly ready. 1, 2, 1, 2,
I love
G
your
chord.
voice.
C,
You have led me through the
G,
fire in
D minor,
darkest night.
C,
You are close like no
D,
other. I've known you
minor,
as a father.
C,
I've known you
G,
as a friend.
E minor,
And I have
C,
lived in
D,
the goodness
G.
of God.
Now let's proceed to our bridge where we have a new chord. Now a new chord is a G/B where our right hand still remain playing the G chord, G, B, D. But for our left hand, we're going to go up. We're going to stretch our thumb up to B. Now this is how G/B sounds like. This is how G sounds like. Okay, a little bit different. Okay, but it adds to the complexity of the song. Bridge, we're going to start on half a bar, G on B. Because your goodness is half a bar of C, running after half a bar of D. It's running after me. Half a bar of G. Half a bar of G/B. Your goodness is half a bar of C, running after half a bar of D. It's running after half a bar of G. With my half a bar of G on B, life laid down, I'm Sir. Half a bar of C, render now. Half a bar of D, I give you every. Half a bar of E minor, thing. Half a bar of G on B, cause your goodness is half a bar of C, running after half a bar of D. It's running after half a bar of G, me. Let's play bridge, smoothly ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, G on B.
Your goodness is running after me.
Repeat again, G on B.
Your goodness is
C.
running after
G.
me.
G on B.
With my life laid down, I
C.
surrender now.
D.
I give you
minor.
everything.
G on B.
Your goodness
C.
is running after
D.
G. me.
Alright, now let's jam the full song. Now the jamming sequence for this song is going to be a verse 1 to chorus, verse 2 to chorus. We're going to play our bridge 2 times, and then we're going to have our chorus 2 times as well to end the song. Okay, so let's start from verse. Get ready, your G chord. Ready. 1, 2, 1, 2,
I love
3,
you,
go.
Lord. Oh, your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Chorus down to C.
'Cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Verse
I love
2,
your
go.
voice. You have led me through the fire in darkest night. You are close like no other. I've known you as a father, I've known you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God.
Chorus, and we go.
'Cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Bridge, G on B and go.
Your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after me. With my life laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after me.
Bridge, repeat, G on B.
Your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after me. With my life laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after me.
2, 3, chorus, hold the chord. 2,
All my life you have
4, G,
been faithful.
2, 3, hold the chord and sing.
And
2,
all my life you have
2
been
counts G, 2 and D. Back to C.
With
2,
every breath that I
4,
am
G,
able,
2, E minor,
oh, I will
and
sing
C,
of the
and D,
goodness
G.
of God.
2, 3, chorus, and we go.
'Cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the
To repeat, go to E minor.
of God.
We're going to repeat last line. Go back to C. Ha, D, E minor again. One last time, last line, C.
Of the goodness
And on G.
of God.
2, 3, G again, hold. I hope you had a good time learning and jamming to this song. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial video. Now do drop a comment below on the songs you would like to learn, and I will do my best to do a tutorial for it. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.
With my life laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after